Hello. Got another unboxing for you. I have another product from 1byone, as you can see right there, and it's a Bluetooth keyboard, but it's kind of small. I mean, look at this here. It's small. It is foldable, pocket-sized mini folding wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Price is $36.99 on Amazon. You can use it with Android, Linux, Mac, Windows, iPad, iOS, all that stuff. Built-in 210 mAh lithium battery, which gives you 114 days standby mode or 64 hours of continuous use, which isn't bad. 64 hours of use is pretty good. But there it is. There, you can see how small it is, right? But got a micro USB cable, obviously for charging. We have our tri-folding magnetic universal Bluetooth keyboard user guide. Okay, so it's magnetic. I missed that somewhere in the description. But let's check it out here. Obviously, I'm not going to test it right this second, but it does seem very well made. It's heavy. Nicely made there. Okay, we have a micro USB port down there on the back for charging, obviously. But you open it up like so. Oh, and it comes on automatically. Check it out. It's already charged. Little LED was lit up there. We've got office and multimedia buttons across the top. We've got our little Bluetooth button down here for pairing with function. We got a window button. Anything else here? No. Multimedia. We got Android, Window, iOS function buttons. And fold it back together like so. And you can put it in your pocket. Feels well made. It's metal. Ultra slim design. You can toss it in your backpack. Ergonomic, supposedly. Not sure how it's ergonomic, but whatever. But anyway, seems like a nice little keyboard. Portable. Take it with you. Well made. It does seem very well made. But that's it. 1byone. Portable folding keyboard. Let me test it out and put the review link down below in the description for you, so you can get the whole review of it there. But all in all, seems nicely made. Thanks.